Hello guys, it's me Stacy and I'm on a nature. Hey, hello buddy, what you doing? You see, I'm in the beautiful spot in the middle of nowhere, and as you see, it's a kind of camping, but it's not a typical camping, it's glamping. And what is this exactly? I will show in this video. Hey! Hey, oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. It seems like he's fell in love with me. Hello, baby. Please calm down. Oh no. Oh, whoa, buddy. Stop. Stop. Shh. You see, guys? Oh, okay. Be a good boy. Just a good boy, okay? Thank you. Oh my God. I could imagine that this exists. Can you imagine comfortable and nature together? This is called glamping, and I want to show you what is this exactly. As you see, it has even beautiful lights around, what can make beautiful atmosphere in evening. This we have a little friend what will time to time distract us, and I want to invite you inside. So guys, it looks like a regular tent, but it's not a regular one. You see, this is a wood floor down here, and it makes this place even more beautiful. So what I can see here, it's one big bed. Well, it's a bit cold right now, but good news that is here place where we can warm up. Honestly, I have never do this before, but I like to try do this with you guys. So as I understood, I have to put this wood inside. I can warm up, or your love will warm up me. Don't forget about your reactions on videos, it helps me a lot. So guys, this is Lady on camp. I've used all matches, but at least I have a lighter. Wish me luck. I really believe that I can do this without man. Smell of independence, you know? But if I had a boyfriend here right now, I would ask him for help. Oh, sorry guys. I think that was a bad idea. So guys, this is the reality of glamping. I'm not a Prometheus, I couldn't get a fire, but it's a good news that here's some electricity, and you know what? I have a kettle, electric kettle. So, good news that we will drink a hot tea together. So while we're boiling, you know what I've noticed here? Oh my God, this is Little Prince book. This is one of my favorite. Oh, Antoine de Saint-Exupéry. I really like this book. Read it again. If you didn't read this book, you definitely should do this. Oh, this is definitely what I've dreamed before. Like, Many days ago, I asked myself, what is my real value? And my real value is living life and being connected to the nature. I wish I could come here in a warm time, and I would definitely stay here, I think, for a week or even more, longer. Because it's a beautiful place and it's so calm, away from city, from loud city, from thoughts of other people. This is time where I can be with myself and nature. And here's a little excursion in our glamping, and we have a one big king-size bed. Also, I have some stuff to make a grill outside. If you would like to try cooking in nature, you have everything what you need. Also, you have a fresh towels. Wow, fresh towels, and for sure, this is, I think, the main comfortable things, that we have a shower here. We can wash our face in the morning, wash your teeth, and go to toilet and take shower. You see, guys, it's even has a boiler here. That is mean that it's hot water. It's not just a shower in a cold water, it's hot shower, and this is insane. Pretty big space for taking shower and some toilet. I think it's pretty good for being somewhere on the middle of nowhere, but have such a comfortable options. And as I mentioned before, we have a grill here. And maybe if you're interested, next time we will try to make something on a grill. I'd like to try some many different recipes. And if you have idea, DM about this. Honestly, I feel very calm when I'm around such nature. I even noticed that there is some mushroom. You cannot eat it, but it looks very beautiful. You see red and these white spots. So beautiful. And we are coming to the end of this video. I have right now, you know, about glamping something more, and probably I inspired you to try, and maybe before you have never heard about such a term, and now you know that this exists. Thank you for being with me. Thank you for watching. I wish you a beautiful life. Many kisses and goodbye. See ya!